Hi, here we have a nice exponential equation. 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of y plus 4 to the power of z is equals to 336. Here we are going to find out the value of x, y, and z. So let's start our solution. In the first step, I was going to multiply and divide this whole expression by 4 to the power of x. 4 to the power of x bracket 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of y plus 4 to the power of z over 4 to the power of x is equals to this 336. I was going to split this in this form. 16 times 21 give us 336. If you can see this 4 to the power of x is dividing with each numerator. So I was going to write 4 to the power of x bracket 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of y plus 4 to the power of z. Here I was going to divide this 4 to the power of x, 4 to the power of x, and 4 to the power of x is equals to 16 times 21. Now here this 4 to the power of x, this 4 to the power of x get cancelled. So the remaining expression we'll get 4 to the power of x bracket 1 plus 4 to the power of y over 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of z over 4 to the power of x bracket is equals to 16 times 21. This is our even value. This is our odd value, and this is our even value, and this is our odd value. So I was going to write 4 to the power of x with 16 with even, and this 1 plus 4 to the power of y over 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of z over 4 to the power of x is equals to 21. Now we're going to solve this for x. So here 4 to the power of x is equals to 16. I was going to write 4 2 times give us 16. Now I'm going to use the exponential rule, that is a to the power of m is equals to a to the power of n. So here m is equals to n because we have the same basis, so we can equate the power same as here. I was going to write x is equals to 2. So here we get the value of x. Now I will going to solve this remaining expression. Now here I will going to take this 1 to the right hand side. So 4 to the power of y plus 4 to the power of z over 4 to the power of x over 4 to the power of x is equals to 21 minus 1. So this will turn to 4 to the power of y plus 4 to the power of z. Now this is going to be divided with both the numerators. So I am going to write in this form 4 to the power of x is equals to here 20 is remaining. Now in the next step, I will going to take this 4 to the power of x to the right hand side. So this will turn to 4 to the power of y plus 4 to the power of z is equals to 20 times 4 to the power of x. Now here I will going to plug in the value of x, that is 2. So 4 to the power of y plus 4 to the power of z is equals to 20, and this will turn to 4 to the power of 2. As I'm going to simplify it further, this will turn to 4 to the power of y plus 4 to the power of z is equals to 20 times, and this will 4 2 times give us 16. 20 times 16, and this will turn to 320. Here I will going to multiply and divide this expression by 4 to the power of y. So 4 to the power of y bracket 4 to the power of y plus 4 to the power of z over 4 to the power of y bracket close is equals to this 320. I'm going to write 64 times 5. Now I will going to divide this 4 to the power of y with both the numerator. So this will turn to 4 to the power of y, 4 to the power of y plus 4 to the power of z over 4 to the power of y. This 4 to the power of y, bracket close, is equals to now 64 times 5. Now here this and this get cancelled, so the remaining expression we will get 4 to the power of y, 1 plus 4 to the power of z over 4 to the power of y, bracket is equals to 64 times 5. Now same as before, I will going to arrange this even with the even and odd with the odd. So this equation turns to 4 to the power of y is equals to 64. And this 1 plus 4 to the power of z over 4 to the power of y is equals to 5. First, I was going to solve this expression for solving for y. 4 to the power of y is equals to this 64. I was going to write 4 to the power of 3. So same as here, we have the same basis. So we are going to equate the powers. Y is equals to 3. So here we are got the x and y value. Now I will going to solve this expression for finding the value of z. So for that, I will going to take this one to the right hand side. So this will turn to 4 to the power of z over 4 to the power of y is equals to 5 minus 1. This will turn to 4. Now I will going to take this 4 to the power of y to the right hand side. So 4 to the power of z is equals to 4 and 4 to the power of y. Now here I will going to plug in the value of y, that is 3. So 4 to the power of z is equals to 4 times 4 to the power of 3. Here I will going to use the exponential rule. A to the power of m plus a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. So this will turn to 4 to the power of z is equals to 4 to the power. Here we have the 1 power. So 1 plus 3 I'm going to write. And 4 to the power of z is equals to 4 to the power of 4. Now we have the same basis again, so we are going to equate the power z is equals to 4. So this is our z value. The x value we have 2, y value we have 3, and the z we have 4. So this is our final answer. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video, please do smash the like button.